times that they never seen, obscene. The shit is like start screaming. Yeah, I'm spitting and my mind is kinda missing, but you know I'm still waiting, cooking in the kitchen. Cause you don't know that you're sitting like grandma when she knitting, but she's so timeless, she still feel like she's there. I know you feel her in the atmosphere. Her physical presence is gone, but I still feel her near. Still I say, bless me, guide and protect me in every day. Because this world, they just pride off what you get me. They know the ways, know that this place, motherfuckers, poor and fuckers gone to space. I got no time to waste, look on my black face. I'm gonna eat that government, wanna get hung with the lace. No time to waste in this place. Look at these crackheads over the place. Too much pollution up in the place. Too much poor people in the place. What a fucking disgrace upon the human race face. They put money in this place, and all I disrespect this place. You know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Me, I don't roll no crew. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my toilet roll right now. What am I gonna do? Maybe can't buy no more. Maybe I catch that virus as soon as I step out the door. Fucking hell, you know the smell. You know it's skunk for when people not doing well. In the mental health is just for themselves. They call it self-medicated. It's educated, underrated. The plant. What we want, big up everyone down to my old auntie Tell. Hope you're doing well. LOVE from CEL, you done know the codes. New roads where the G's grows. My dogs, my doobs, you done knows. Yeah, look upon my white nose. It's an African, Jam-African nose. The truth I expose and wet them up with hose. Yo, these foes, wet them cause they never bathe. And like the witch they will make because of water they freed. I'm a freestyler, I told you all the while. I run the track fast like I'm Wai Coyote. High up on peyote underwater. Blessing to my son, to my daughter. I'm a telling you, you know what, all I miss them. Selassie, I bless them. Don't cause them no problem because it better if I die. I put them in front of me. Selassie, my life. Don't make it get taken by a knife because I was so explosive. They never know where I live. I was trying to do positive, but every time they turn around negative. So what do you want me to do? Life is like a game of quiz. It's a maze, blazing haze. I do it always. Yeah, my luck's growing back, can you see? Selassie living, you and me. Just for everyone to see that Jah is the most high. Emperor Selassie I that come before I and I. That was crowned November 1930. Remember on the 1930 coronation. I got to pull up the beat, the instrumental Asian. To all my hip-hop nation that love the freestyle. I don't just do this for recreation. I do this for the betterment of my black nation. Just to show that we got talent. Yo, I won't compare myself to white, black or Asian, because you know human race is still a part of my nation. I'm trying to show the people connection like Bluetooth or like Wi-Fi. Why make people die from just one penny and they don't have any? You see food is cooking, what if you don't have any? No damn penny, now you're fucking dead. Now man get fucker in the damn head. Why you think they rob and steal? Why you think man shoot and cheat? Why you think all the oil resources in the world deplete? Why you think there's so much fucking violence in the damn street? People so fucking poor they can't find food to damn eat. And some is stuck on rock, and some is stuck on the block, and some is stuck on the trigger. They always got that cock. And one thing I know, Salsa is the G. Big up to all my foes. You will see me one day up close, and I might send you ghosts.